Hey guys, it's Maya, and today I will be starting my new blog based off of vegan recipes, and this week we will be starting with the Vegan Stoner Cookbook. I'm going to be using recipes from here, but probably going to be adding my own twist on some things, and the first recipe I wanted to start with is the Pad Thai. So I went ahead and already picked up all the stuff, and now I'm just going to show you guys everything cut up. Okay, so what we're first going to start off with is we're going to make our noodles. So the recipe calls for rice noodles, so I went ahead and took the liberty of getting these rice ramen noodles. They're pretty good because, for one, they're organic, so we extra love that, and they're gluten-free and vegan, and it says they're ready in 4 minutes. So we're going to be using one of these bricks because one brick is equivalent to, I think, like a whole serving. So we're going to be using that. And then we're going to use vegetable cooking stock. So that's going to be, yeah. I'm just going to kind of eye this because, exact measurements, I'm not really about that. So what we're going to do is, first, take one of these bad boys and pop it in this bowl because, remember, we are in college and your girl forgot to get a pot to boil her water in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a microwave safe bowl, and I'm going to fill it up just so that it covers the ramen, but it's not like a waste of the vegetable stock. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for, let's do 4 minutes and see how that goes. I think that's going to be a long time, but I'll let you know if we hear an explosion. Okay, so one of those blocks from the bag looks like this. The one I got, it has like a green color to it. I guess I'll investigate more of why it looks green. I honestly don't know, but half a piece of this is equivalent to 120 calories, so this is 2 servings right here. So this is going to be breakfast and lunch for me. Dinner today, lunch tomorrow. And I already went ahead and filled the bowl with some of the vegetable stock, and I will show you that right now. I kind of just made sure it was just about covered with it before I put it in the microwave, and I have determined that I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes instead of 4 because that's crazy. This is our finished product. So it was really quick and simple, and now I'm going to taste for you to tell you if I like it. It's very hot, so give me a moment. But yeah. Yeah. Definitely approved. I would say, I mean, it's based on my own cooking abilities, but I think that I'm a 10 out of 10 when I cook, and I definitely think that this recipe is super easy, super simple, super easy to play off on, adding in whatever you really like. I can definitely tell you that obviously the base of this recipe is the noodles. The bean sprouts are like an essential part of it, but if people don't like that, you can always take it out. But I think that they don't really taste like anything, so I don't know why you take it out. And of course, this sweet chili sauce is another great addition, as well as the lime that you squeeze into it, and it adds that like little extra kick in it. I definitely can say that if you want something that has more protein in it, probably just cut up some tofu, throw it in there. It'll probably make it taste great. Um, Anything else I could think that I would add into it that I didn't add in this video, I probably would have added bamboo stalks, but like I couldn't find any at the places I was going. So you got options. You can add your own favorite vegetables, but also follow my recipe if you just want to see how it tastes. But I'm glad that you guys watched my video, and if you enjoyed this recipe, let me know. Leave it down in the comments. Tell me how you guys did, stuff like that. Open for suggestions on other things to make. I know that our next recipe that we'll be making will be pumpkin enchiladas, so we're gonna see how that goes, because I don't really know if I'm gonna like it or not, if I'm being honest, but I'm going to try it and be honest with you guys to tell you how these recipes come out and if they are vegan, approved, and they're great or whatever. So any other suggestions that you guys may have once I'm done with this series from this cookbook, let me know your thoughts on anything that you may want to see me make, or just any thoughts on other products I may have tried previously, and I'll let you know how I think they are. And I hope you enjoyed this video.